In this video, I'm gonna show how to log into Snapchat Web with Phone. It is very quickly and very easy, okay? The first thing you need to do is search by Snapchat Web, okay? And click on this on the first option, Snapchat.com, okay? So you'll need to come to this page. And here you put your username or your email and your password, okay? So put your email and your password. Then you will see that you have to confirm on your phone, okay? If you don't have a phone to do this process, you can download an emulator to do this process. So you can search by BlueStacks, okay? And download emulator of phone on your computer. Then you download Snapchat and accept on the emulator, okay? I will not show all these steps because the video will go too long, okay? But it is very simple. You just need to download the emulator, download Snapchat, and do this process. Then you finally log on with Snapchat Web with Phone, okay? I hope I help you on how to log into Snapchat Web with Phone. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive its footsteps.